A tragic incident occurred today at the Balasore police barracks, where the body of a female constable, Jashoda Das, was found hanging. Her colleagues discovered her in a hanging state and quickly rushed her to the Balasore district hospital, where she was declared dead by the doctors. It has been reported that Jashoda's residence is in Remuna Thana, Mandarpur area. Allegations suggest that her death may be related to personal issue, possibly linked to a romantic relationship. The Balasore SP has mentioned that initial investigations indicate personal reasons may have led Jashoda to take this drastic step.
हमारा तदंत चालुछि जा प्रिलिमिनरी जना पडुछि सेटा कोन पर्सनल रीजन कारण हेछि ए घटना मेंटल किछि तांकर माने शी वाज मेंटली डिस्ट्रेस्ड as what it seems from the preliminary inquiry. Personal matter, personal गुडे केतिकी reasons अछि से गुडा हमारो हमके प्रिलिमिनरी जाना पड़ुछे से गुडा तदंत पड़े क्लियरली जाना पड़े.